Hi folks, welcome to a masterclass that's all about safety. So far we've been giving you great ideas on maintenance and working on your trailer, how to DIY many of the things people pay mechanics to do. But something that's very important that we can't lose sight of is the safety aspect sort of thing. If you're working under a trailer, don't work underneath it using a jack. What you need to do is buy yourself a set of jack stands. This is a bit of an overkill example of a jack stand. This is what we use in the workshop. And when you consider we are working on some fairly large caravans, it's important for us to have the very best. But you can get yourself an adequate jack stand from Supercheap or Repco for $30, $40. You'll get a set of two. And that is what you want to use when you're working underneath your trailer. Use the specific jacking point on the trailing arms with your bottle jack or your floor jack. Get the trailer up and then lower it down on a set of jack stands so you know it's secure and can't move, can't fall over and hurt you. Something that concerns me greatly is the number of posts I see on Facebook on various owners' pages, people wanting to know how to or talking about removing gas struts from their camper trailers. This is something I absolutely do not condone, nor does MDC. These guys can be charged with gas as high as 2200 newtons. That's 2.2 tonne of force. And to remove them can be extremely dangerous. So if you've got a job that requires the removal of one of these, a gas strut, I strongly suggest that you contact an experienced professional, someone who specialises in it, to come and remove the gas struts for you. If something goes wrong, if the damping fails and this gas strut shoots out full lengths, it can actually explode out the end, injure or kill someone. And with the kind of force that you'll find whichever component let fly several doors or blocks away. So don't ever do it. If you really are in grief and you've got to remove one of these, contact your local MDC branch and find out who can do it for you safely. These are some of the things that we really need to bring to you because we want all our MDC owners to be safe at all times. We want a great camping and caravanning experience. We want you to do more with your camper trailers, do more of your own servicing, but under no circumstances do we ever want anyone to get injured doing so. To play it safe, follow the masterclass, follow the safety rules, and we can be caravanning and camping well into the future safely.